Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Subject Mathematics, Standard 10, Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. Exercise 5.3. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the arith geometry, about the graphical geometry. Okay, so that is a one only introduction type lecture. We have to continue chapter number 5 in this lecture. So in previous lecture we completed about the D is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75, and we found out the A9 in the previous lecture. So let's we begin with A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8 and Sn is equal to 90, and we have to find the N and An from the equation. So given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 9 and Sn is equal to 90. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn is equal to 90. So here we have to find the value of the n from the equation. Then after 2 into multiplication with a, that is a 4. Okay. Here the summation formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D over here. So 90 is equal to n into multiplication 2 plus n minus 1 into D. So here you have to find 2 multiplication 2, that is a 4, and D is equal to 8 over here. So n minus 1 into D. So in the bracket 2 4 is divided by 2, that is a 2, and 8 is divided by 2, that is a 4. So 90 is equal to n into multiplication 2 plus 4n minus 4. So 90 is equal to 4n minus 2, that is 4n square minus 2n. So 4n square minus 2n minus 90, that is 0. So 4n square minus 20n plus 18n minus 90, that is a 0. So after giving the simplification of this equation, we have to find the value of n. So let's take common from the 4n square minus 20n, that is a 4n. Okay. So after taking 4n from the first two terms, we got the in the bracket n minus 5. From next term 18n minus 90, we got the 18 common from the both terms. So after taking common 18 into n minus 5, we got this term. Okay. So let's then after in next term we have to take common n minus 5. So n minus 5 into 4n plus 18, that is a 0. So here we got the n minus 5 and 4n plus 18 from the equation, that is 0. So n minus 5 is equal to 0 and 4n plus 18, that is a 0. So n is equal to 5 and 4n is equal to 18, that is a minus 9 by 2. Then after, however, n can neither be negative nor be fractional. So here we have to take n is equal to 5 and put the value of that in the equation, that is a an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. So a5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8. Okay. So here just we have to find the a5. So put the value of a and d and n in the equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is equal to 5. Then after d is equal to 8. Okay, and a is equal to 2 over here. So we got the a5 is equal to 34 over here. So here v double I, that is a plus a is equal to 8 and an is equal to 62 and Sn is equal to 210. So we have to find the n and d. So n and d, after that solution we have to find the n and d from the. So a is equal to 8 over here, an is equal to 62 and Sn is equal to 210. Put that value in Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket a plus an. Okay, so a we know that first term is a, so put the value of a is equal to 8 and an is equal to 62, that is the next value, and the Sn is equal to 210. So 210 is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 8 plus 62 over here. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70. So 62 plus 8, that is a 70. So 210 is equal to n by 2 into 70. So n is equal to 6 over here. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 62, a is equal to 8 and n is equal to 6 over here. So we have to find the 5 into d is equal to 62 minus 8. So 62 minus 8 is equal to 5 into d. So 5 into d is equal to 54 over here. So 54 is equal to 5 into d. So d is equal to 54 upon 5. That is our final answer. We have to find just n is equal to 6 and d is equal to 54 upon 5. Let's we take next question. Question number 8. In the question number 8, an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2 and Sn is equal to minus 14. So we have to find the n and a from the equation. Okay, so an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2 and Sn is equal to minus 40, right, in this way. Then after we have to put the value of a, n and d in the equation to find out the value of the n. So an is given in the question, here d also given in the question. We have to find just n from the equation. So put these three values in this equation of the arithmetic term. An is equal to 4. So we got the this formula, 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 4 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 2n is equal n into multiplication with 2, that is 2n, and 1 into multiplication with 2, that is a 2. So a plus 2n, that is a 6. Okay, a plus 2n, that is 6. So 6 minus 2n, it is our equation. Then next, Sn is equal to n by 2 into multiplication a plus an. So an is equal to 4 and Sn is equal to minus 14. So minus 14 with multiplication with 2, that is a 28. So minus 28 is equal to n into multiplication with a plus 4. So minus 28 is equal to n into multiplication with 6. 6 minus 2n plus 4. And then after we got the 2n square minus 10n minus 28 after giving the simplification of that equation. So n square minus 5n minus 14, that is a n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14. So n into multiplication with n minus 7 and 2 into multiplication with n minus 7, we got the n minus 7 plus n minus 2, n plus 2. This is the simple factorization method of solving the equation like this. N square minus 5n minus 14, we just divide the 5n and use the factors of that. So by giving the summation of the factors of 14, we have to just identify the 5n. So that is a n minus 7 and n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n minus 7 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 7 over here. So n plus 2, that is a 0. So n is equal to minus 2. In this way we get the n is equal to 7 and n is equal to minus 2 from the equation. So n is equal to 7 is our final answer because negative value of the factor is not identified. Okay, so our final answer is n is equal to 7. Then a is equal to minus 6 minus 2n, because we have to put the value of that n in the equation number 1. A is equal to 6 minus 2n from the equation. So a is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, that is a 6 minus 4, that gives us minus 8. Okay, so a is equal to minus 8 is a answer. Thank you so much.